Jack, I am excited.
Me too. A movie is always fun.
I didn't go to the cinema for many days.
Same here. It's been a long time.
Do you remember our last movie?
Yes. It was an action movie.
That movie was too loud.
Yes. Too many fights.
But the hero was cool.
True, he was strong.
Today's movie is light and funny.
Yes. We can relax and laugh.
What did you do this morning?
I just stayed home.
No work today?
No, I am free today.
What about you?
Lucky you.
I cleaned my room.
Oh, nice.
And I cooked lunch.
What did you cook?
Just pasta.
Yummy. I love pasta.
Next time I will make for you.
Deal.
Let's check seats.
Okay, row 5 is good.
Not too close, not too far.
Yes. Just perfect.
I don't like front seats.
Me too. My neck hurts.
And back seats are too far.
Exactly. Middle is best.